there was full blood and I was very paranoid कि starting में मुझे थोड़ा pain हुआ था and I had थोड़ा discomfort because privacy चाहिए होती है and parents के साथ वो नहीं मिल पाती है. So this is both internal and external. If you use it internal. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shruti. Those of you who are new here, I create content around lifestyle, vlogs, all the girly things. And then I also talk about a lot of things related to my work here, like freelancing, UGC and all of that, so you can check out my other videos. But in this particular video we are going to have like a very safe girl talk. Like I hosted a Q&A on my Instagram recently wherein I asked you guys questions that you might have around sex and around using like sex toys or any such questions that you would want to ask your mom or your elder sister but you never had the guts to do that. So I thought maybe I will help you guys. मैं कोई महान नहीं हूँ. I've been in a serious relationship for 3 years. I just broke up, so I thought कि थोड़ा जो ज्ञान collect किया है I should share it with others. So it's just my attempt of helping you guys. And this video is also sponsored by My Muse, which we'll talk about later, like their products. I've been using them since I'm single now, and yeah, I'll talk about it a little later in this video. But let's start with the questions. Okay, so the first question that I had got is, I'm afraid of sex that's keeping me away from dating someone. So honestly, I've had so many of my girlfriends sharing this with me, and we have had conversations on this, and at one point even I was the same, like because मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा एक image थी कि अच्छा sex is going to be painful, the penetration is going to be painful for me, and that's why I was scared to date someone. Like my first relationship was really traumatic, and उसके बाद से मुझे ऐसा ट्रॉमा हो गया था कि अब मैं किसी और को डेट करूँगी एंड व्हाट इफ दे कम टू नो दैट आई एम अफ्रेड ऑफ सेक्स एंड आई शेयर दिस विद देम एंड देन दे गेट अपसेट एंड फिर से वो मुझे छोड़ के चले गए. तो आई हैड दिस एंटायर ट्रॉमा, सो आई टोटली गेट वेयर यू आर कमिंग फ्रॉम एंड इट्स टोटली ओके टू फील लाइक दैट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. So I think what helped me is when I got into a serious relationship, I made sure that I'm not doing it out of pressure. And trust me, when you have the right person, they won't force you to do it, and they won't force you into any sort of thing that you are not comfortable doing. And I think sex with time, my definition of this entire thing has changed so much. It's supposed to give you pleasure, right? And you cannot get pleasure when it's a forced act. So when you love someone and you truly are comfortable with them, it just automatically happens. You don't need to put pressure on yourself that okay, आज हम ये करने वाले हैं. That's not how it's supposed to be. It automatically happens and it's out of love, it's out of comfort. It's a very comfortable act. Of course starting में मुझे थोड़ा pain हुआ था and I had थोड़ा discomfort because it's going to feel like that and all of that, right? So starting में थोड़ा inconvenience होता है, but then if you are with the right person, they will make sure that you are comfortable around them and it's going to feel very natural, trust me. So if you are not dating someone, trust me, love is a very beautiful feeling. चाहे मैं 15 बार अपना दिल तोड़वाऊँ बट मैं फिर भी यही बोलूँगी. So love is a very beautiful feeling and you shouldn't let yourself like not fall in love just because you're scared of sex. Sex is a part of a relationship. It's not the entire relationship. So I would say until you find the right guy, don't take that step. It's totally okay. I know we live in a generation where it's very cool, but it's a big step. So until you feel ready for it and until you feel that okay, this is the person that I want to experience this pleasure with, don't do it. So it's totally okay to be scared, but at the same time with the right person you won't be scared. So fall in love and the fear will automatically go away. Okay, now the second question that we have is how to get rid of darkness around our intimate area. So I think darkness is very common. I think especially in us, अगर तुमने porn देखा है और तुमने ऐसा perfect image देखा है कि oh, this is supposed to be like this. It's not. In real, if you talk, like darkness around our intimate areas is very normal because usually because of hormones and the friction, the skin there is naturally darker and you can't do anything. No matter तुम कितने भी products use कर लो, no matter तुम कितना भी advertisements देख के कोई भी product use कर लो, it's not going to get like अपने आप एकदम फेयर नहीं हो जाएगा. So just learn to embrace it and make sure that you care for your intimate areas. You maintain the hygiene, you use the right products, to avoid using anything harsh just because you have that perfect definition ki intimate areas are not supposed to be dark and it's supposed to be perfect. No, it's naturally dark in every person, so just try to embrace that, just try to accept that, and it's totally okay. There's nothing to be shameful or embarrassed about it. So just accept it and make sure that you are properly maintaining your hygiene. Just make sure that you wear comfy clothes, you maintain the hygiene, you stay hydrated, and please don't come into any pressure and avoid using anything harsh. Okay, now the third question that we have, which is very interesting because I have had this fear and I have had such weird experiences with this particular thing. Does hymen break if you use vibrators? So like I had this fear कि अगर मैं tampons या menstrual cups use करूँगी तो my hymen will break and then I'll have pain and everything. And I never used it for my entire life, no matter how comfortable my friends told me it is. I never used it. So I understand where you are coming from. So understand कि hymen एक thin layer of skin होता है and it's not like कि वो एक बार में break हो जाता है. बहुत लोगों में तो वो naturally break हो जाता है because if you are playing like a lot of sports or if you are cycling and all of that, तो break हो जाता है and you don't even realize it in some times. But मेरे लिए I saw that when my hymen broke, like there was full blood and I was very paranoid कि भाई मुझे क्या हो गया, and I called my female friends and I was like, bro, what the fuck. So my hymen broke while having sex, of course, and I came to realize it because I was bleeding. But on many cases you don't realize it, you don't come to know, and it's not painful. It's not at all painful. जरा सा भी pain नहीं होता है. I know I used to be very scared कि pain होगा, but नहीं होता है कुछ भी pain when your hymen breaks. It's just naturally the skin goes off and you don't even realize it. अगर bleeding होती है तो वो थोड़ी देर में खुद से बंद हो जाती है. That's just natural. Now coming to the question that if we use vibrators and everything. So the first vibrator that I've ever used is the MyMuse vibrator that they recently sent me. This is the Groove vibrator. So this is both an internal and external vibrator. So this is the Groove vibrator and massager that MyMuse sent me. If you use it externally and stimulate it externally, it's not going to affect your hymen. But if you're going to use it internally, it might help, it might break your hymen, because if you're using, if during penetration your hymen does break, अगर वो naturally break नहीं हुआ है तो, but you wouldn't feel it, so there's nothing to worry about. So this is the massager this is the first ever massager that I've ever used. So it has a ribbed tip, so you can use it both. You can use it for external pleasure. So just because I've experimented with this, I'll tell you all the features about it because it's really cool. So it has like 10 speeds. It has like different modes. So if you click this, it just, oh, it stopped. Lord. If you press this, it changes its mode. So like it has different speeds. You can regulate it based on your comfort level and everything. See, yeah, I just changed the mode. I don't know if you all can see it, but it has 10 speeds. It has an ergonomic handle, plus the tip is flexible. Plus it's really safe to use this, and it's very quiet. Like you can see that itna sound वगैरह नहीं आ रहा है, so it's very quiet. Even if you use it like living with your parents, it's safe because it's quiet. It's waterproof, which is the best part. So after you use it, you can just wash it and keep it. Plus it comes with like a travel pouch. So if you remove this, it comes with like a travel pouch, so you can easily carry it anywhere. You can just keep it and carry it anywhere. It also comes with like a charger, so you can charge it. Plus it also comes in 3 colors. I think there's some beige pinkish color, and I think there's another color, I forgot the color, but yeah, there are 3 colors in total, so you can choose the color. Plus when it comes in shipping, there's discreet shipping. It comes in a plain brown box. After you open the brown box, this is the box that you get. For a lot of people who might be wondering that is it safe to use, it is made up of body safe silicone, so it's totally safe to use. Yes, so from my side, it's a 10 on 10. I've used it thrice yet, and I loved it honestly. So you might consider getting it if you want to spice up your sex life, or if you want to just experience some pleasure by yourself. Back to our questions. Okay, I want to order sex toys, but I'm scared my parents would get to know. See, I totally get it. Privacy चाहिए होती है and parents के साथ वो नहीं मिल पाती है. And that's why I like, because it's quieter, you can use it. Plus it comes in that brown box, so nobody will get to know. So you can keep the brown box on, so nobody will get to know and you can still use it. और मेरे फ्रेंड्स तो भाई, जब मैं यूज़ नहीं करती थी, मेरे फ्रेंड्स तो बता देते थे कि इट्स अ नॉर्मल बॉडी मसाजर, तो तुम वो भी कर सकते हो अगर तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स इतने डम है तो. Okay, somebody actually asked me that what are some of the what are some of the settings that sex toys come with. So I have since used this Groove massager from MyMuse, and I told you all that it has 10 different modes and speeds, and it has a flexible neck, so you can easily play around with it, and it's very gentle on skin, so you can easily go down there when you're comfortable, and you can still use it in a very comfortable manner. Even if you are initially not sure of using it, you can just try and explore and take it at your own pace. Plus it's waterproof and rechargeable, so tension ही नहीं है कोई, तुम आराम से वॉश करके रख सकते हो, जब चार्ज खत्म हो जाए तो चार्ज कर सकते हो. It comes with the USB charger, so yeah. Okay, now next question, जो कि मुझे भी नहीं पता था, मुझे भी फर्स्ट टाइम ही पता चला जब मैंने अभी यूज़ किया है, MyMuse ने जब मुझे भेजा, which is I keep hearing about Loop, but what's the deal? Now that I've used it, I actually like it. It's called Glide, and it just makes things super smooth and comfortable. It's made up of clean ingredients, so paranoid mat ho bilkul bhi. It's not going to harm you in any way, and it has no scent, which we love. So yeah, it's made up of clean ingredients. It's super gentle on skin. It's made up of clean ingredients, so no fear of harming or burning your skin down there. And since it's water based, it feels very natural. You can see it yourself here. It's water based, it's fully clear and clean, so you can use it. If you are not sure, you can start with this. I can vouch for this. I have loved the quality and it's great. I forgot to tell you that it has a pH balanced formula, and it's made up of aloe vera, which is great. So that's the ingredient list that you have, and it's very safe to use this. Since my friends at MyMuse sent me this, and I know a lot of you would want to order these as well after watching this video, so I got you all a discount code. You can use the coupon Shruti10 to get a 10% off on any products from MyMuse ka website. I'll link it down in the description, and I'll link these two products as well. I have honestly loved the massager and I've loved the loop, so I would really encourage you all to try this, and feel free to check out their website for their other products. They are definitely doing a great job in removing this taboo, and I know it feels very weird and पहली बार जब तुम सुनते हो इन चीज़ों के बारे में, and people might judge you, and it feels unsafe, but trust me, these things are okay. You deserve pleasure. So first of all, I want to thank the people who asked me these questions, because I love talking about these things, and I wish somebody had these conversations with me. I'm still young, but I wish somebody told this to me before I experimented and मैंने fuck around कर लिया. So it's totally safe, and I would be making like more such videos if you guys like this one. So yes, now answering our last question is, becoming physical at under teenage is okay. Just see many people around me doing that. See, and the world has made it very cool now. Okay, physical. If you're not into physical stuff, oh, you are old school and you're uncool. But see, getting physical with someone is a totally independent decision. It's a very big decision. So it has to be coming from you. Nobody can force you to do it. And secondly, only do it when you're ready and you feel comfortable with the other person. Trust me, you will regret it if you do it out of peer pressure or force. I've been there, so don't do that mistake, and only do it when you feel ready, when your body becomes comfortable with someone, and when you find the right person. That's very important. So don't feel pressurized just because you see everyone around talking about physical stuff and being physical in their relationships. It's totally okay. I know people जिनके partners ने उनको इतना support किया है that they've not been physical with each other for almost a year because the other person had traumatic experiences and she couldn't go ahead and do it. So the right person will stick with you until you are comfortable. So make sure that you do not settle for bare minimum or less and make yourself feel uncomfortable, and just do it out of pressure or out of the fear of losing the other person. I really had an amazing time to answer all these questions, and thank you so much MyMuse for sponsoring this video. I loved their products and I would really encourage you all to try them as well. So definitely give it a go and let me know if you enjoy the experience, and if you would want me to make more such videos, drop me a comment if you have any questions around these products. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.